Welcome to Mom and Home Hack, where we uncover the deepest secrets of your body to transform your daily life completely. Have you ever felt constantly tired without knowing why, as if a heavy fog is clouding your mind every single day? Imagine your body is a beautiful house, and your digestive system is the complex plumbing running through its very foundation. We often ignore this system, yet it is actually your second brain, controlling emotions, energy, and your overall mental clarity. Science tells us clearly that when the gut is dirty, the brain becomes foggy, leading to anxiety and poor focus. Just like pipes in a house, if waste accumulates over time, the entire flow stops, causing toxicity to spread everywhere. This hidden stagnation silently poisons your blood, making you feel heavy, sluggish, and much older than your actual biological age. Deep inside your gut lives a vast ecosystem, a microscopic forest that demands balance to keep your body functioning perfectly. In this lush forest, a constant battle rages between beneficial guardians and harmful invaders that thrive on sugar and processed food. Every meal you eat is either fuel for the guardians or a weapon for the invaders destroying your inner peace. But there is always hope, because nature has given us the incredible power to heal and regenerate from within immediately. Cleansing the gut is like opening all the windows in your house to let the fresh air and sunlight enter. As the physical clutter clears away, you will notice a profound shift in your mental state and your emotional stability. When the gut is finally clean, the mind becomes bright, sharp, and ready to conquer any challenge with renewed energy. Start this journey today by drinking warm water every morning, washing away the toxins accumulated during your long night's sleep. Embrace fibrous vegetables as the gentle fluids that sweep through your system, keeping the internal pathways clean and flowing freely. Introduce fermented foods to replant the seeds of life in your inner forest, restoring the harmony of your microbiome ecosystem. This is not just a temporary diet, but a mindful lifestyle that respects the temple that is your own body.
I'm gonna get you.
By caring for your digestion, you are protecting your future self from illness and unlocking a vibrant,
Catch me, Mommy.
energetic life potential. Remember the golden rule of health: a clean gut equals a clear mind, and a healthy body houses a happy soul. Listen to your body's whispers before they become screams, and start treating your digestive system with the love it deserves. Thank you for watching Mom and Home Hack. Subscribe now for more wisdom on building a healthier, happier life together.